anaendelea kupewa maziwa. Wale hawajapata msijali, maziwa inatosha. KCC na Devani Limited wako na
As a nation, we are deeply concerned with nutrition and health among our learners. This is why the government has set a bold target to reach 10 million school children with universal school feeding by 2030. Currently, the government is providing school meals to 2.5 million children through collaboration with partners. However, 7.5 million children still need a school meal. To be part of the solution to address this gap, we launched an initiative called Feed One End Hunger. Through this initiative, we are working to ensure that schools become food sufficient through food production on school grounds. We are teaching children how to grow food through the 4K Club and working with the Ministry of Agriculture and Education to develop other sustainable initiatives. This pilot school milk program is one such intervention. This morning, we established a kitchen and a fruit garden at Testai Primary School, and we look forward to expanding this initiative to meet the school's food requirements. The school milk program will provide all children with a packet of milk twice a week for a year. We have further supported the feeding program in this school with a truckload of food supplies. A mother's joy begins when her child has food to eat. The teachers here will also agree with me that educating a hungry child is a challenging task. A well-fed child is more attentive, active, and likely to thrive in their studies.